Ferrari and the NHTSA have advised owners of the SF90 Stradale and SF90 Spider to stop driving their cars amid concerns the 1,000-horsepower supercar could catch fire. A recall has been filed with the NHTSA affecting 614 of the cars in the U.S. spanning the 2022 to 2024 model years, and dealers have been forced to stop deliveries of the supercar. More concerning still is that Ferrari believes the issue afflicts 100% of the vehicles recalled. The issue at the heart of this recall is a turbocharger oil delivery pipe that is thinner than intended, which may rupture, in turn spewing hot oil onto the twin-turbocharged V8 that could then catch alight. The issue was first discovered and Ferrari conducted a pre-production review of a new and unnamed model in July 2023, possibly the SF90 Stradale and Spider, which were revealed in late June. The technical team identified a potential issue regarding the turbocharger oil delivery pipe, the same one fitted in the V8 plug-in hybrid electric (PHEV) supercar. Between August and September 2023, Ferrari found additional defects related to the component's thickness, which did not conform to the automaker's specifications. The company launched a global recall on October 12 to remedy the issue as a precautionary measure. The remedy program will replace the non-compliant pipes with ones manufactured to the correct tolerances. The recall program includes 2022 to 2024 model years of the SF90 Stradale and SF90 Spider, with production dates from November 7, 2022 to September 19, 2023. Ferrari assures that units produced after September 20, 2023, have already been fitted with conforming delivery pipes. A mandatory stop sale order was issued to dealers last week, however, as any dealer stock would be fitted with the old pipes. Fortunately, the brand says there have not yet been any fires, oil leaks, deaths, or any other incidents related to the recall. Like any other recalls with fire risks, it is recommended to park away from anything that could also catch fire. Or better yet, owners should just stop using their vehicles as Ferrari instructed. Ferrari will start sending recall notifications to affected vehicle owners on or before December 16, 2023.